The Barclays app. How to verify your identity. Sometimes we may ask you to verify your identity. To get started, you'll need a photo ID, such as a passport or driving licence, your home address and UK mobile number. If you don't have an account with us, select I'm new to Barclays to start setting up the app and verifying your identity. Then tap Verify Identity. Tap on the type of banking the verification request relates to, either personal or business banking. Then tap Continue. Then select another account or service to verify your identity and tap Next. Once you have everything you need, tap I have these. To set up the Barclays app, you'll need to create a passcode. To do this, select Next and enter a 5-digit passcode that you'll use to log into the app. Choose a passcode that can't be guessed easily, and for your security, never tell anyone your passcode. Then tap Next. You'll now need to read through the terms and conditions, and if you're happy, tap Accept and Continue. Now add your mobile number. We'll then send you a text message with a verification code. This may take a few minutes to arrive. When you've received the code, enter it here. If you want to receive useful notifications about the app, tap Enable. Tap Next. Read the information about credit checks and tap Continue. Next, choose the form of ID you'd like to use. You'll now need to take a photo of your ID. Tap OK, show me how. Then follow the steps on screen. When you're ready, tap Open Camera. Then, when the ID is in position and readable, tap here to take a photo or here to take a new one. We'll now need you to take a short video to make sure no one is impersonating you. Tap OK to begin. Position your face in the oval, then follow the instructions for the identity check. For example, you might need to say numbers out loud and then select Next Step. You'll also need to turn your head towards your shoulder and back again, then select the Stop button. Tap Submit Video and Continue. Check that all the information entered is correct. If not, you can update it and then select Next. Now you'll need to enter some personal information and select Continue when you're done. Add your nationality and origin. And tap Continue again. We'll now need 3 years of address history for security. Add the details here and tap Confirm. Add your email address. Select your preferences and tap Submit. If we're able to verify your identity, you'll see this screen here. Tap Next to set up an appointment. Then Next again. If you have an appointment, choose this option to continue. If you don't have an appointment, select No, I need an appointment to call us and book one, and tap Continue. Make a note of your reference number, as you'll need to present it to the colleague who is helping you. There you go. Identity verification made easy with the Barclays app.